Dot, 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 dot. Can see this dot and this dal, they are not the same thing. This is dot, 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 and this is to, 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 zo, 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 zo. Likewise, this zo is different from this za, zal, zal, zal. You can see there's different in the pronunciation. Zo, 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 and zal, 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 zo. Ain. You can see ain, 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 ain. You can see how the sound looks like. Ain, ain. Then this is going, going, going. This is fa, fa, fa. This is cough, 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 cough. You can see this letter is coming from the throat. Cough, cough, cough. And this is calf. You can see when I get to this calf, it is I pronounce it softly, as in I free myself in pronunciation. It's different from this one. Cough, cough. Why this one is calf, calf, lamb, 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 mim, 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 nun, nun, nun. How? Look at these letters. It is pronounced heavily. How, how, how. And this is wow. As if somebody is in English. When you say wow, this is this letter. Wow, wow, wow. And the last one is ya, ya, ya. This is the correct pronunciation of the Arabic letters, and in the next video I am going to analyze these letters one by one. The letters that are similar in pronunciation, we learn how to pronounce them and how to differentiate them, so that while reading the Quran we'll find it easy to differentiate their pronunciation. Don't forget to subscribe to Al Arqam Institute. The reason for this is whenever we drop all this interesting video, you'll be notified and you can benefit from this. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.